Hello everyone, welcome to 2024. Happy New Year. My name is Dr. Ademide. You can call me Ademide, Big Sister, Dr. Mide, anyone which is fine by you. Today I am going to be sharing 5 helpful tips to help with your weight loss journey in 2024. You know, a lot of people have New Year, new resolution, and I want to lose weight, I want to look good, I want to feel better. If your goal this year is to lose weight, I guarantee if you stick with me, I am going to be a huge support system and support you in your weight loss journey. So there are a lot of confusing stuff on the internet saying, okay, if you want to lose weight, do this, don't do that. But with sticking with me here with these tips I'm going to give you is definitely going to guarantee you success. Either you're starting your weight loss journey from the beginning or you're starting again. So the first is, if you want to achieve anything, you have to have a mental picture first, and you have to come to a resolution that you want to lose weight and have your why. Okay, why do I want to lose weight? I want to lose weight because I want to look good. I want to lose weight because of health reasons or anything. But whatever reason it is you have to lose weight, you have to have a mental picture, and that is definitely going to guarantee you success. Second tip is you have to be patient with yourself. Weight loss is a marathon, it is not a sprint. You didn't gain 20 kg in 1 month. You can't expect to lose 20 kg in 1 month. So you have to be very patient with yourself. Understand that, of course, it's going to take a lot of time for you to achieve these goals. With consistency and determination, you can actually do it. The third tip to lose weight is for you to work with foods you love. If you want to lose weight, working with foods you love is what is going to give you more motivation to continue, and it's something that is sustainable. I mean, you're eating the rice you love, you're eating beans, you're eating pasta and every other food you love to lose weight, although there are modifications to it. Of course, you can't say, oh, I'm going to give up, because every day is going to be like a regular day for you. So if you're working with foods you don't love, you're eating just salads every day, you're not going to see results. You're going to get frustrated, and before the end of January you're going to be done. So working with foods you love is absolutely key. You should also know that weight loss is 80% nutrition and 20% of your exercise. So your nutrition plays a very key role if you want to lose weight. The fourth tip is for you to find something that motivates you. If you're trying to lose weight, there are going to be lapses, definitely. There are times you feel tired. There are times you feel, oh, I just want to take a break. But if you have something motivating, I advise people to watch transformation videos of people who are also on the same goal with them. Okay, seeing someone before and after will definitely motivate you to lose weight. Or you could even get, let's say you're a size 16, you want to go to a size 12. You can actually get a size 12 dress and hang it in your wardrobe or somewhere you can see. And you're going to be looking at that every morning you wake up, and that is going to be your motivation to lose weight. Do you understand? So something that motivates you, it could be you having a vision board and where you see yourself in 6 months, or maybe your birthday is in 6 months and you want to look good. It's not you putting unnecessary pressure, but it's definitely a motivation for you to continue. The fifth tip is for you to follow foods and calories if you want to lose weight. This year I plan to be a huge support system, not only me but myself and my team. We want to be a huge support system to as many men and women who are planning to lose weight. So whatever your body goals are, we're definitely going to be of help. And you should also know that we have various meal plans for sale. We have the personalized meal plans, which is created based on the foods you love to eat, and also we put in consideration your health goals. And you can also shop for meal plans on our website at myfoodsandcalories.com, and you can also join any of our monthly challenges. See you in the next video. Bye.